Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making pastillage. So let's get started. Have you ever seen all those sturdy cake toppers that stand on their own or by the side of the cake? Have you ever wondered what is used to make those cake toppers? Well, it is pastillage. Pastillage dries very hard and can stand by itself. It can be used to make beautiful cake toppers in whatever shapes and sizes and adorned to your cakes. So today we are going to be making pastillage or pastillage. I just love the way that word sounds. It sounds so romantic. The recipe for the pastillage is on the screen right now. So I am making this quantity that you have seen and it's going to go a long way. So I actually want to use it to make it a crown, a sugar crown. It's in the video that I'll be posting after this. Okay, so watch out for that video. Is going to help you to make a beautiful sugar crown for your princess cakes. Meanwhile, if this is your first time on our channel and you love what you're seeing, please look below and click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that you know when we post awesome videos like this. Also, please give us a thumbs up so YouTube can show this video to other people. Thank you so much. You can also share these videos to your friends, share them among your family, share them on your social media platforms, and also drop a beautiful and kind comment. We would love to hear from you. You could also ask us questions and we will answer you. And also, for your kind information, we have online classes that we use to train people across the world. We have baking classes, we have cake decoration classes, we have classes on how to make small chops. We just love caking it. So if you think you want us to have private online classes, then you should click on the link below to get access to our school. So if you noticed, pastillage is like making royal icing first and then adding more icing sugar to make it firm. Okay, so you can see that this is very light. I'm going to be adding more icing sugar and I'm going to get it firm as it goes. It's going to become very unbearable to keep mixing it in the bowl, so I'm going to be turning it to my tabletop and I'm going to be kneading it gently until I have the right consistency that I want. At the end of the day, we want a paste that is non-sticky and that is properly mixed. So if you have exhausted your icing sugar and you find out that your paste is still sticky, you can introduce some icing sugar to it. Okay, you don't want your paste too firm, but you don't want it sticky, so you can add some icing sugar to it until your paste is not sticky. So the reason for this addition is because some eggs are large and the egg white will be much. Okay, so we are not measuring the liquid that we are introducing into it, and also some icing sugar do not take so much liquid, or when you introduce some liquid to some icing sugar, they tend to melt more than others. Okay, so that's the reason why this 500 grams may not work for everybody. If at the end it's sticky, just introduce some more until you have a non-sticky paste. So when your paste is no more sticky, it should also be stretchy. It should not be cutting. Okay, it should be stretchy like this. It should be stretchy. So I'm going to be adding some some shortening to it. Okay, just a little bit, just to bring my paste together. Is optional. I hardly ever use it, especially if you are in a very humid area. It's advisable to omit the shortening, but if you are in the dry region where the weather is very dry, then I think you should add the shortening. It's going to help your paste. Okay, so we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and also if you haven't subscribed, please do that before you go. Give us a thumbs up and drop your comments. Thank you so much for watching. You know I love you all.